Hey everyone, I am Samyak Agarkar and welcome to my YouTube channel after a very long time. If you have noticed, it's been about an year that I have not posted any video on this YouTube channel. There are two main reasons. One, I was not finding any content to share on this video, and two, I was not happy with the setup that I had previously. If you have seen my previous videos, if you have seen my previous videos, just 140 subscribers. I'm not expecting you to see the previous videos, but yeah, they were good. The content was okayish. I mean, good, not the best I could have given, but yeah, good for the start. But I was not happy with the video quality and the audio quality. I had the mic. I have used my mobile phone as well a few times to shoot the videos, but that was not working the way I wanted it to work. But now what I've done is, as you can of course see, the entire setup is different now. It's more polished for one. Two, it sounds really great as of now. I mean, yeah, if you are using a good quality setup, it's of course going to look good and sound good. That was the main reason. I think, I mean, I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, that was one of the main reason I was not uploading on this YouTube channel. But now that I've got the setup ready, I am going to upload so many more videos on this YouTube channel. Let's hope that this time I can just keep up with the motivation and the determination to work on YouTube channel. I've planned a lot many times that I'll just continue working on YouTube, but it never works. It is so difficult to come up with YouTube videos and come up with the new ideas for YouTube videos. It's just difficult, and the amount of work it takes to shoot a good video. The problem with YouTube channel or running a YouTube channel is, I mean, a good YouTube channel, running a good YouTube channel, the problem with that is, making memes and making stuff like that is sometimes easy. But if you just want to give something really great, something informative, something educative, then it really takes a hit on your mind, in both ways. I mean, it takes a hit mentally as well as physically. It's a lot of work to do. I mean, shooting a video is just one part of it. Editing also takes a lot of time, and I am not the best editor in the world. I'm not the fastest editor in the world, but I am just learning things and just trying to speed things up. And now that I've got a good setup, the laptop has not been changed. I'm still working on the same laptop, but the setup that I have right now, I hope that I don't need to upload or edit the videos in Premiere Pro or something like that. I hope that this video recorded as such would directly go on YouTube without any edits. So that was one of the main things that I was looking for, and that is why I was waiting to upload any kind of videos on this channel. Yeah, so the way I'm going to work on this is, first of all, see, this kind of setup not everyone has, right? So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm just going to walk you through the entire setup, all the equipments that I'm using, so that you guys have an idea of what equipments you can use. So there is no kind of trial and testing, yeah. Maybe, is that even a word? Is that correct? Testing and training, testing, anyways, so that you are not confused with what equipments exactly to use. I'm not suggesting that the exact equipments should be used to make any kind of YouTube channel, but yeah, I mean, it will just give you an idea of what it takes to have the setup for the YouTube channel, right? So that is one. The next part is going to be the overall essence of this YouTube channel, Samyak Agarkar. It's about me. No, sorry. Yeah, it is of course about me, but this is more personal channel to me. I have other channels as well, if you guys know, and some of you might know, some of you might not, that I have other YouTube channels. Mainly I'm focusing on Agarkar Media Academy. Agarkar Media is a company that I'm trying to build, and Agarkar Media Academy is one part of it, where I'm very focused on teaching you the skills that I have. So of course there will be some new skills added, new tutorials added onto the other YouTube channel, that is the Aga Media Academy YouTube channel, where I'll be posting more about programming, about Blender that I'm already working on. There will be of course new tutorials about how to set up an entire YouTube channel in your house, in your room. There will be hopefully be a tutorial series on photography also. I mean, if I've got a good camera, it is not mandatory, but yeah, I can try to sneak out one photography tutorial as well. My photography skills are decent, not very bad, but let's just improve and let's try to give you something good that you can, you know, at least improve your skills on, and I'll be very pleased to help you in that way. One thing, let's try what happens. So that is it for this video. I think this is not the video which might get too many shares. This is just one hell of a vlog kind of thing. I'm just sitting in front of camera and just venting out all the emotions that were in me for the last 1 year. So that is it for this video. Let's catch up in the next video where I'll be talking about the setup. Hopefully, let's catch you up on the other YouTube channel, Aga Media Academy, there as well. Please subscribe to this channel and the Aga Media Academy. You'll be getting a lot of content. Now that I have the entire setup ready, you'll be getting a lot of content for sure. And I hope that I can be of at least a little use to you, a little help to you, not use. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed, and thank you for subscribing, because I know you're going to subscribe right now. Like the video, subscribe the video, share the video with your friends. Let's see you in next videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.